Go now. Hello, everybody. This is round 2.
Round 2 of Monster Truck Freestyle.
2.
Okay. Who's up?
First up is Thrasher, new version.
Thrasher, new version. Okay, you got to set the clock. Ready?
Yep.
30 seconds. Freestyle. Go. There he comes out of the gate. Oh, he does a flip right away. A wheelie. Coming around. Woo! Oh, he crashed. That's it. What we got on the clock there? 12 seconds.
We give it.
Stop. Oh, I give it a 4.
Wow. That's kind of a good score.
All right.
Right.
Who's out next out of the gate?
Next is Team Hot Wheels.
Team Hot Wheels.
With teeth.
With teeth.
In the front.
Wow.
Go.
Ready?
Yep.
Start the clock. Go.
This is Shock Therapy, which is Ham's Oil.
Okay.
That's his nickname.
Okay, you ready?
No.
Reset the clock. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay, ready? Go. Oh, 3 seconds on the clock and he's already out.
What do you give him?
Oh, I'll give him a 2 just for coming out.
I knew you were going to say that.
Just for coming out and making the fans happy today.
Next is Metal Militia.
Metal Militia?
Yeah.
Okay, setting the clock. Ready?
Yep.
Go. Here he comes. Ooh, oh, he crashed.
No, he's not.
He's still good? He bicycled? All right. Coming around. Nice little jump there. Oh, he did a wheelie.
Oh, he wheelied again.
Woo! There he goes. Another wheelie. Oh, look at that big high flip with a twist and a turn and a half gainer. Seconds. Stop the clock.
Wow,
Very good. Yeah, I'm going to give him an 8.
Yes, he's in the lead.
All right.
Next is Samson.
Samson? All right. Ready?
Yep.
Go. And he comes out slow. Whoa! That's it. He gets a 2 for coming out today and helping out the fans.
Yeah.
All right.
Last one of round 2, which is Lucas Oil.
Lucas Oil, last one.
Who versus Shock Therapy.
Shock Therapy?
Which is Ham's Oil.
All right, go ahead. Oh, set the clock.
Yep.
And you're off. Here he comes. Woo! Upside down.
And failed.
And we're going to give him a 2. All right. That's it?
Yep.
That's it for round 2?
See you on round 3.
All right, we'll see you around 3. Go get your popcorn.
Bye.
Bye-bye now. Get your popcorn and come back later.
Right. Get this round 3 started. We could just do round 3 right now.